Welcome, outdoor enthusiasts. In today's adventure-filled episode, we are delving into the age-old debate of campfire versus portable stove for outdoor cooking. If you have ever wondered which method reigns supreme for preparing delicious meals amidst nature embrace, stick around as we explore the pros and cons of each technique. Get ready to uncover the secrets of campfire cooking and portable stoves and find out which one truly stands tall in the great outdoors. Campfire cooking has been an essential part of human history dating back to our ancestors' earliest days. It invokes a sense of nostalgia and brings us closer to our roots. The crackling flames create an ambience that fosters camaraderie and strengthens bonds among family and friends. There's something magical about gathering around a campfire, sharing stories, and relishing delicious food prepared using traditional methods. The campfire opens up endless possibilities when it comes to outdoor cooking. From roasting marshmallows and hot dogs to cooking hearty stews in cast iron Dutch ovens, this campfire allows campers to explore a wide range of culinary delights. Its direct flame and radiant heat provide the perfect conditions for slow cooking and imparting the distinct smoky flavors to dishes. Despite its charm, campfire cooking has its downsides. In some areas, building campfires may be prohibited due to environmental concerns or fire hazards. Overuse of campfires can lead to deforestation, soil erosion, and negatively impact wildlife habitats. Additionally, gathering enough firewood can be time-consuming and may contribute to the depletion of nature resources. Portable stoves have emerged as a popular alternative to campfires, and for good reason. They offer unmatched convenience and efficiency, especially for campers seeking a quick and hassle-free cooking experience. Modern portable stoves come in various sizes and styles, including gas, liquid fuel, and solid fuel options, catering to different preferences and requirements. One significant advantage of portable stoves is their ability to provide precise temperature control. This level of control is especially valuable for delicate dishes and recipes that require specific cooking temperatures. Unlike campfires, where adjusting heat can be challenging, portable stoves offer easy-to-use knobs or settings that allow campers to fine-tune the heat output. Portable stoves are designed with environmental considerations in mind. They leave a smaller ecological footprint compared to campfires since they don't require the use of firewood. Furthermore, modern portable stoves are built to be fuel efficient, reducing waste and emissions during cooking. For eco-conscious campers, this makes portable stoves an attractive option. Campfire cooking undoubtedly wins this category. The smoky flavor imparted by burning woods gives campfire-cooked meals a distinct taste that's hard to replicate with a portable stove. Food roasted over open flames develops a unique aroma that evokes cherished memories of camping trips past. However, for those who prefer the simplicity of certain recipes, a portable stove's natural heat may be more suitable. When it comes to cooking time and efficiency, portable stoves have the upper hand. They offer quicker setup and heating times compared to building and tending a campfire. For hikers and backpackers on tight schedules, the convenience of a portable stove can be a game changer, allowing them to spend more time exploring the great outdoors. In terms of safety, portable stoves generally win due to their contained flames and stability. They are less prone to causing accidental wildfires, making them a responsible choice in areas with fire restrictions. Additionally, by eliminating the need for firewood, portable stoves help preserve natural habitats and reduce deforestation. As we have explored the merits of campfire cooking and portable stoves, it becomes evident that each method offers its unique advantages. While campfire cooking captures the essence of tradition and provides unmatched flavors, portable stoves excel in terms of convenience, efficiency, and ecological responsibility. Ultimately, the choice between the two comes down to individual preferences, the camping location, and the type of outdoor experience campers seek. And there you have it, fellow adventurers. The battle of campfire versus portable stove may continue to spark debates, but remember, both methods offer remarkable ways to elevate your outdoor cooking adventures. Whether you are a die-hard traditionalist or an advocate of modern efficiency, Savoring delicious meals in the great outdoors is what truly matters. So, go forth, explore, and release the joy of cooking amidst nature's embrace.